May we go see her if be pass. I witness them the day plenty. This one na SDO. Dr. Simon Nkweti Ndo in that. First person, na the phone go to village where na president for Domafo. Second, second, we should know. Third, na the phone for Nkambe. Fourth, na the phone for Benjwa. Fifth, na the phone for Kungi. And then the other one, the only way should have back now phone for pencil for self for Aku. All the phone there, all the should have. And na phone for inside government division. Now they're not. But this matter don't bring problem. And God may use yourself, we don't check sense. How we could organize occasion, and then we invite winner, we give winner chair, and then chair can bring problem. Nothing that we don't pass for that occasion. For spoil people them their occasion. So Dr. Simon Ndo Petty, now in this, now man we don't work for Donga Matumbution, let us do. So take all man enjoy. This man is alluding so Mr. New SDO. Now in this. Now new SDO where he get to take power for this continent. So it has to be. This one now governor for Northwest Cameroon, Leland Afrique. Leland Afrique now in that way they don't sing national anthem all man a day for up. When we look at still say this, so any man they respect the position. And they don't judge this flag for other person where governor dey for down. So governor na over kwata, whether a old, whether a young, for this very position, na the over kwata, na in that. You let you know, we did for before. And if all the respect, as we say, so na so them that will happen, the side from Nkambe, grandstand, where all camera them today. Yes. And some community radio then they will make a live. This one na mayor from Nkambe Council. Shame for Musa, we will let you talk.
This 7th February 2024 in Nkambe. His Excellency, the Governor of the Northwest Region, the divisional officers of the 5 subdivisions of Donga, Your Royal Majesty the Fourth, religious, political, and other authorities.
So now Honorable Ngala get that when I be MP for that site, and then we get a commandant of the brigade, we get a man for peloton, we get a colonel, and then we get 20 military that will be. So now entrance that will go for that site for Nkambe Palace. And where the front every day. We understand say those one so they like a day. Although some people know what accept because now people that will chop a whoop. This one now they organize the occasion. They invite people them. For occasion, Christmas will ever be day. Mawe na Mumu will ever be day. Mawe not even talk it will ever be day. That occasion don't bring trouble. I want to ask them whether it is so the administrative from Nkambe they know say this occasion it don't cause trouble. I will invite the new SDO and the Joe Central when we want to organize an occasion. We will look for we will invite only people that they work for inside governor. Forget about the force and the chief. No with the occasion we will find. Because they say the force that they come for they can't do this order. Better than say me when I know they invite them again for an occasion. Sometimes peace it will come. Then when this countryman know that mayor, he talks to this so they don't know what to do now. It will mean that say me then send them na region. Unasiam na governor that he should have his own chair. Else they will come out if one for left, the one way will take power should have right. For corner na Joe Central. And then big man for Janamiri. Yes. You see, all them should don't have a table chair. But for we all, we will go fight on top chair. God be one third person with the chair? No. Correct! Correct! Now man will don't command. And this man will come now, so for comedy man will get a place. Now he will go in for side for his region. They will work at them for this, so they will get them no trouble. Trouble nobody. And this very occasion, after the have Dio for Bamenda too, and some people that will last we see Dio for Bamenda too, they release, and then the other one there we no see. So this occasion not bring confusion. Confusion when no must no one. Neither. Ah, my brother, tell your command. That means you know how to live with people and don't want a man division. My first advice I have with you. Know how you live with them because I will tell you after. Yes, when I finish, I will tell you how you got to live with these people then for don't want a man division. Yes, now my people them, but we know them fine. So you got to hear advice for Dr. Petty Simon Doe, how he will live with we. Yes. If you use the very method, it will be fine. But if you don't use the very method, that means say, hey, last some people that will go transfer. Because we may not talk to this, so if they come with the own method, where the show now say this, so if they want now according to what the way, you will talk. So any man will be misbehave, or any man will no one follow rules and regulation. That means no for this man will catch you. Tanda. You don't see us on Monday organize the occasion and then after occasion they bring problem the whole nation.
Thank you, General. Because when we stay for the country, we go for the land. We go for the land every day. Not to say you don't learn so take off finish.
Yes.
The only two are big jam. The only my own advice are big jam is that issue. I say I don't over years as I walk about town. I don't hear people that they talk. I don't hear audio that they walk out about from them for Nkambe, which are big jam like a title holder. Like a title holder for Oko Palace. Now say when person don't invite.
We go now we hear to number one from Northwest after the occasion. What did he talk? And that.
There were an adoption yesterday of the deal of we are coming here to witness with the population of Ngala division the installation of the new SD of this division. Immediately the head of state was informed of the abduction, instructed the security services under the coordination of administrative authorities to make everything possible to release him. Thanks to the professionalism of the security and defense forces, thanks to the collaboration of the population and the bravery of the abducted has been released this morning, and we are therefore appealing the population of the North region and of Ngala division, which is a peaceful division. If we still have some difficult spot, to continue mobilizing themselves under the administrative authorities to give information to the security forces to shun up from this division. Those that are still perturbing the peaceful environment that is reigning in this division, in the borders, and in some major communities. That's the reason why we are rejoicing today, but we have to be vigilant. And I call in the population the same way they contributed to the release of the DO, to contribute the same to release all those that are still kept by those terrorist groups.
Okay, maintenant en français.
Man will take care, don't take him. We dey thank all man will be for grandstand. Say anyhow we dey, although they will have kidnap the one due for that side with some people them, but peace it don't come because it didn't say they don't release as we see them. So we ask them now for parliamentarian for side from Nkambe. Come for me, Gerard Ngala, where you go for talk. Talk now.
Northwest region. We continue calling on the head of state to look into our crime. We are a peaceful division. We are patriotic. We want that our wish be granted. We recognize that a lot has been done. We recognize that a lot has been given to us. But like our chiefs, we come in and ask for more, especially the far Northwest region.
So the Nkambe be happen. We still get talk for talk because we own our peace. We know the way for disorder.